Hello guys and welcome back on our CryptoAF YouTube channel. Today we want to make an update video for Solana, but first of all I want to say most of the people who watch our videos didn't subscribe to our channel, so guys, please leave a subscription for us there. This supports us the most and you always keep up to date and never miss any content. So let's start with the Solana update, and as you can see here, and as already mentioned in the last videos, we have this big support line here, all-time support, and this all-time resistance from Solana, and both of them are very often retested. So first of all, we had this symmetrical triangle here, which had a breakout target at approximately, let me show you, 71-72 US dollar. And after that, as you can see here guys, the Solana price built a little small bull flag here, and after this bull flag the price of Solana accelerates to more than 200 US dollar. So as you can see, after this over 100% price move, and after the Solana price filled this target here, we see another over 100% price move. So basically we also expect that for this pattern here, but as you can see here, this pattern had a breakout target about 250 US dollar, and this pattern and this symmetrical triangle filled this breakout target and also built a little bull flag here, but this bull flag didn't break out to the long side, so we saw the correction of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Solana and the other coins also corrects. So guys, at the current price level we are here, we are moving on the 50-day moving average, we are testing it, and after this, what can we expect to do, what can we expect Solana to do next is we have this support line here, this horizontal support line here, and we have our all-time support here. So on the day chart for Solana, we have the scenario that Solana goes long, but I will mention this in a smaller time frame, and we have the scenario that Solana corrects until Bitcoin and Ethereum stop to correct. So as the correction continues, Solana will also correct to this support line or to the all-time support, or at a maximum correction of this here at the 200-day moving average of $120. But basically guys, I don't think this will happen, because at Bitcoin and Ethereum we also are in a kind of cooldown of the correction. So basically you can see that there are not so big price move to the downside as we had like 5-6 days ago. So basically we will not move as big as at the start of the correction, but also you have to keep in mind that there can be a correction from Bitcoin and Ethereum, or from Bitcoin to 53 or 50,000 US dollar. So guys, let's go down to a smaller time frame, and on the smaller time frame you can see I have one new pattern here, and this is this symmetrical triangle. This rising wedge was already mentioned by Finn in a video like I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, and this filled its breakout target perfectly, and after this we are forming this symmetrical triangle. So basically guys, I think after we know what symmetrical triangles are doing, symmetrical triangles are 50-50 for a long or a short breakout, but it is also a continuation pattern. And in the moment for Solana, we are in a long run. So basically it would be normal for the symmetrical triangle to break out long. But as we are in a correction, like Bitcoin and Ethereum are correcting and all the other coins do the exact same, I don't think we are going to break out long here. But the long breakout target for this pattern would be at $300. So $300 is our first, I just print here a horizontal line, our first target to fill for this symmetrical triangle. But what also can happen here is we have this scenario that we break out here, stop the correction of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and have a breakout target from 305 US dollar. But what also can happen, I mentioned it already in the day chart, is that we are breaking to the downside. I think this is more likely to happen, but I also think the correction is quite over at Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we won't see any big price moves to the downside. What I also wanted to show you guys is that after we had this bull flag here, And this much bigger price move to $215 here, we also have this symmetrical triangle and this symmetrical triangle. And from this symmetrical triangle, the breakout target is filled. But from this symmetrical triangle, after we filled our breakout target at $305, it is also possible, if there's again much volume in the crypto market and the bulls are very back and the bulls are very strong again, can happen that we have, after this breakout here, another bull flag and accelerate to prices like 460, 500, maybe $550 at this resistance line here. And as you can see, guys, this resistance line is quite often retested from the Solana price. So I think this line is very valid, and I also think that we will retest this line and test it on soon. So when the correction of Bitcoin and Ethereum is over, I expect that we go on this price level here, like I also put it in, like 460 to maybe $550, like right here. But I think this would happen if the correction is over and if Bitcoin and Ethereum also have a big long acceleration. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the update video, please leave us a like or a comment there, or a subscription if you want to support us the most. And after that, I would say goodbye and we see us in the next video.